You can't believe what I just discovered. Wait, check this out. This is how to make your shorts go viral no matter what. I mean, I found a way to make your shorts go viral no matter what. Like this least view you could get. Wait. Like the least view you can get is around 200. Because what I said in my past video, I tried it out and I'll show you how to do it here and now. Peace. No, no, not peace, not peace, not peace. I'm not done yet. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing you do is you go over to YouTube and upload your video the normal way. Then you add your captions, and after adding captions, you add your tags. As you can't add tags from there, so you have to upload it, then edit it. Then you add your descriptions. I can see I've done it already. I copied it from notes. Just find stuff or type stuff if you have the time. Find stuff on your topic. Okay, then as you can see, I put my tags. Your tags must be above 50. Your tags are needed, and also don't forget the hashtag shorts. Hashtag shorts help. Just like you're posting shorts and you tell them, yes, I'm posting shorts. So that's all. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hit subscribe for more tips and see how I'm growing. Check out my YouTube shorts there. You see how it's growing, and I'm just doing video on TikTok, then copy it and posting it. Finish. Simple. And very soon you see when I get to K's. Peace.